Step-by-step installation instructions for the Basement Defender. Video 1. How to remove a sump pump. What you will need before you start. Step 1. Unplug power cords to pump. Step 2. Prep the work area. Lay down a towel and have a large bucket ready. Step 3. Slowly disconnect the coupling on the discharge line. Be careful. Water can spray out. Step 4. Lift the assembly out of the sump pit, letting the water drain out of the pump back in the sump pit. Step 5. This is important. Be sure to remove any check valve if one is mounted above the assembly. Step 6. Remove the sump pit cover. Step 7. Remove the discharge tube.